Arrive in style with this 2018 Kia Sorento. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 240 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, 8-way power adjustable passenger seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.